Hello there. Today we're going to make a balloon popper, like this one. So if you click on the balloon, it pops, like this. I'll show you like this. When you touch it, it pops, like that. Really hard to do, and really fun to play. So let's just start one. Let's start a new. Go click on new one, click on new page. Loading sprites it is. Alright, and we're going to just first delete the cat, and we're going to choose a sprite. We're going to choose a sprite, and it's going to be the balloon, like this one. And now, this is what we're going to do. One click, as you can see right here. One of the most important one, because or else it won't work if you add something else, but it won't work unless there's one click on top of them. So let's just start with forever. Don't make it keep going repeating, and then grab a repeat until, and then touching mouse pointer. When it touches the mouse pointer, it like explodes or something like that. Touching mouse pointer, and then looks. I mean glide, and then glide 1 second. Glide 1 second random position, which it will go to randomly. It will go randomly around the scratch thing. I don't know what it's called. Backdrop, whatever. So look, let's see it first. So glides into random position. Alright, next we're gonna do is under here, which is looks and hide, and then I'm gonna go to show here as well, and I'm also gonna add a show to one click, because else it can't see it, because if you touch it and then click it again, click screen flag again, it won't show, so you have to add a show. And then we get a glide 1 second to random position again. Or go to random position actually, and grab it. Let's just test it out first. Oh yeah, see, actually it works. But now we're going to do wait 1 second, because you have to wait for a moment for it to respawn like this. So let's just see it out. Let's see it. Oh, you see it. You have to grab it. It's pretty fun. That. We can make it fun now by adding more balloons. For the backdrop, we're going to do blue sky. Choose the backdrop. Blue sky, which is here, and then click on it. So next time we're going to make a score button. So thanks for watching, and this is the end of the tutorial.